Hello everybody, Rajni Gurpreet here, and like I've said already, I'm on a mission to touch 100,000 lives by the end of 2020. So continuing with the same, this is a very quick video. I had done this for some of my online Zoom math students, and I thought it's a great idea to share with others also. You can do it at home, because a lot of people who are in various other countries where they want to do the Zoom, but they cannot do for the fact that the timings don't match. So I'm just sharing the strategies you can do at home. So this is from my math class. This is a laminated sheet, okay, and this is for teaching children what comes after, before and in between. So you can see I got cards here, it's after, and just because saving space and paper, I got a before right here, okay. So because you're going to be doing only one at a time, and this is in between. Okay, and these are again laminated arrows. Okay, so we want to give children an idea. Now this is from my son's one of the games. I've just borrowed the board from him. You can even write these numbers over here like this. You can keep so that the kid gets to see the progression. So even this can be done. If you don't want to mount it on a board, you can keep it like this, whichever way, so that the kid gets to see the progression. Yeah. Okay. I'll just, because very quickly I'll do, because I just want to give the idea and you can then take it forward. So I'll not take too many. I'll just take it till 10 here. Okay. So you could either mount it on the board, or if you think the kid will not understand, then you can keep it like that. Okay. So I'm just removing the board from here. Alright. So when you say what comes, and if you're teaching after, so there's blue tack here. So if you put it here, you say, alright bacha, what comes after 3? So you can place a 3 here, and then you will do this. So the kid knows that what comes after, oops, little bit up. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? And here you could do with a similar one, like, you're showing here. So if you have another 3 here, okay, alright, so if you have another 3 here, I would have had to go and rush and get another 3. So this is 30, but you can assume that it's a 3. So I'm covering it up because I'm dealing with adults. When you are working with kids, have another set here, okay, and have one set in your hand. So you say, what comes after 3? After 3 is, and then you are showing after 3 is, after 3 is, after 3 is. Very good. 4. So after 3 will be, after 3 over here will be, what comes after 3? 4. Very good. So if you give practice like daily, and you can have the numbers over here. So you can say, what comes after 6? And then, 7. So once you give practice like this, A, playing with blue tack, kids love to do that, and B, they're getting the progression and they're getting the awareness of the numbers. Then when you're wanting to do before, what comes before, after, when you have achieved after. Since it's a video, so I'll go very fast. You can't be doing before, after, in between together with the kid. That's not possible, but since it's a video, so I'm doing it fast. So if you want to do what comes before, then you will do this. What comes before 7? Okay, so that the kid knows that before means in the number line towards this side. So you say, what comes before 7? And if you have another, so what comes before 7? So you put your before card here. What, even if your kid is not reading what comes before as of now, still it doesn't matter. You know what comes before, and you say 7, and from here if you have another number line and you have a 7 here, and you do it like this, and then the kid sees there, and then the kid picks it up and puts it here. So when you give enough practice like this for numbers up to 20, numbers up to 50, kid gets it like he really gets it. Okay, so the third one, what comes in between? So there you will do, I can't see an 8 here. So what I'll do is I'll pick up, it's
on the board.
On the board, alright, yeah. Okay, so if I say what comes in between, oh by the way I'm making it stand is there is a diary behind and I've used blue tack. So you say and remove these. Another point to be noted, at one time please do only one thing. I'm showing all three things in the video because it's just one video, but for you at one time make sure you do only one thing. So first you teach before, after, then you teach before, and finally then you go to in between. So now for in between you use this. What comes in between, and if you have another number line here, the kid gets it very nicely, and another set, this one over here, and then the kid says 7. Once they get a mental picture of what does it mean for what comes before and what comes after, then it becomes very easy for the kid to do it. Once you have done it like this, then you take the learning onto copy and paper and you've achieved your goal. Alright, so on that note, here's Rajni Gurpreet saying, oh, I am being shown faces by my people, so I'm forgetting what I'm talking. Here's Rajni Gurpreet saying bye bye, may each kid win, and yes, very soon my website, which is encountering a few technical issues as of now, but once it's up and we're working on it, once it's up, it's www.rajnigurpreet.in, and I will have all these strategies placed over there, and yes, you can get in touch with us for these and many more, and we each can win. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to channel YouTube Rajni Singh.
Okay, so that was what I was being told. Alright, yeah, I always forget to say that. Probably because I'm not looking at that angle. Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel Rajni Gurpreet for more updates and crazy fun ways of learning English, Hindi, Math, EVS. Oh, that tells me we are very soon going to start with EVS, and I'll be sending strategies from my Zoom classes. If you're interested in Zoom classes for phonic reading, math, comprehension, grammar skills, language development, EVS, do get in touch. The numbers are 8800 6500 7021 77777. Thank you so much. May each kid win. Bye.